This is the helicopter puzzle, or what they call it. It doesn't even look like one. The main goal is to get these two wooden blocks in the middle out. To the common eye, it looks like it is not even possible. But I will assure you this, it is indeed very possible. You cannot shake it out. Fun fact, this puzzle actually spins just like helicopter blades. Maybe that's why it's called the helicopter. Spinning it is also the way to solve it, as it has two cylinders inside that lock it in place. These cylinders loosen when spun. And that is the helicopter puzzle.